Hello everyone, let's see how to count duplicates between two Excel columns. So you can see list number 1 and list number 2. To calculate count duplicates, select the cell is equal to type here count if function in bracket. Select the first range. So here I select the list 2 entire range. Then press tab 4 to log this range. Then comma. Then select the list 1 for cell apple. Then bracket closed and enter. And here you can see the selected list 1 apple fruit showing the one time in list 2. Here the apple is one time showing. Okay. When I enter here again apple, now you can see the two counts here showing. Okay. So I just control Z and select the cell and drag this corner point to fill formula below the cell. You can see the every fruits in one time available in this number 2. Okay. When I enter here again banana, then you can see the banana fruits 2 time in the selected list. Okay. So that's it. This is a way you can count duplicates between two Excel columns. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.